Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making the ultimate crispy BBQ Tofu Bites using an air fryer. It's the best party or game night snack which you won't be able to stop eating. So let's get started. Take 500 grams of tofu, slice it into medium sized pieces. You can slice them in any shape or size. To prepare the batter, take 150 grams of chickpeas flour, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix well. You can use different types of spices here like garlic powder, cumin powder, red chili powder or even nutritional yeast, but I'm keeping this simple. Then add approximately 220 ml of water. Add the water in small amounts and gradually. Remember, we need the batter of pouring consistency and balance is always the key. Try to break all the lumps. And the batter is ready. Next, we need to season the breadcrumbs. I have here approximately 100 grams of breadcrumbs. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper and mix well. If you are new to this channel, I'm here to help you in your vegan or plant-based journey with easy recipes. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for future notifications. Add the tofu to the batter and coat. Remove the excess amount of batter. Then add it to the breadcrumbs and coat again. I'm using the gluten-free breadcrumbs for this recipe. Be gentle so the coating doesn't come out. Repeat the same process with the rest of the tofu pieces. Now let's move on to air frying the tofu. Add couple of drops of oil to the tray. Brush it evenly. It's entirely optional but at times needed as the batter might get stuck to the tray. Add the tofu to the tray with some distance apart. Air fry over 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Let's prepare the sauce for the recipe. Add 50 grams of barbecue sauce, 30 grams of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Mix everything well. You can just use the barbecue sauce alone for the recipe, but I like to play with these flavors. Meanwhile, the tofu is ready. It is already crispy and you can perfectly eat it just like that, but this extra step will take this recipe on another level. Add the sauce to the tofu and coat it well. I like to do this step on a flatter surface so there is space for tofu to move and coat it properly. Also remember to be a little gentle as the outer layer might come out. Once it is double fried, it will set properly. Air fry again over 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And look at that. The ultimate crispy barbecue tofu bites are ready. Finally, sprinkle some sesame seeds, chives and serve it along with some vegan ranch. You can enjoy this as an appetizer or just pair it with some spicy noodles or rice. These are so crispy from the outside and soft on the inside. Using an air fryer makes them so crunchy and crispy and the overall recipe process simple. So, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting recipe video. Until then, bye. Also don't forget to check out these 2 delicious vegan recipes.